Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Aqeel
Walaikum
Hussain,
assalam.
and in today's AI session, our topic of discussion is how to create a growth mindset and embrace challenges. To have a
Well,
better and fruitful talk, we will invite ChatGPT into the session. Hello, ChatGPT.
hello. Thanks for having me.
Okay, thank you for joining us.
You're welcome.
Our topic of discussion for today is how to create a growth mindset and embrace challenges. And I will ask some questions. My first question is, what is a growth mindset and how is it different from a fixed mindset?
Hmm. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, strategies, and feedback, while a fixed mindset sees talent as static. One embraces challenges, the other often avoids them.
Okay, my next question is, how can I train myself to see challenges as opportunities to grow?
Let me think. That's a great question. You can start by reframing I can't into I yet. Treat mistakes as feedback, not failures. Step a little outside your comfort zone regularly. Also, ask for constructive feedback and celebrate small progress, not just perfect results. Over time, that builds resilience and makes challenges feel more like opportunities.
Okay, my next question is, why do people often fear failure and how can we overcome that fear?
Hmm. Yeah, that's important. People often fear failure because they link it to self worth. Overcoming it starts with reframing failure as information, not a verdict. Focus on learning rather than only outcomes, and take small, consistent steps. Self compassion helps a lot. Treat mistakes like you would a friend's, with patience and curiosity.
Okay, my next question is, how can changing the way we talk to ourselves develop a growth mindset?
Hmm, that's a thoughtful one. Our self talk guides our mindset. Flop I can't to I can't yet. Ask what you can learn, not why you failed. That shift makes trying again feel worthwhile.
Okay, ChatGPT, tell me, what role does effort play in achieving success?
One sec. Effort is central. It's how growth happens. Talent helps, but sustained effort with good strategies and persistence turns mistakes into progress. In short, keep learning, keep adjusting, and keep showing up.
Okay, my next question is, how can I turn my mistakes into valuable learning experiences?
Hmm, good question. Start by asking what went wrong and what you'll change next time. Seek feedback, accept responsibility, and apply the lesson. Stay curious, not discouraged. Every mistake is data, not a verdict.
Okay, my next question is, how does embracing difficult tasks make us stronger and more confident?
Hmm, that's a great question. Taking on tough tasks stretches your skills. Each challenge survived builds proof that you can handle more than you thought. That growing evidence turns into confidence. Competence creates confidence.
Okay, ChatGPT, please tell me, what are some simple daily habits that can build a growth mindset?
Hmm, let me think. Start small. Learn one thing new daily, reflect on your day, and Reframe negative self talk. Ask for feedback regularly and celebrate small improvements. Tiny habits done consistently reshape how you see challenges.
Please tell me,
Mhm.
how can teachers help students develop a growth mindset?
Let me think. Teachers can praise effort, not just grades. Use mistakes as learning moments, set attainable goals, give constructive feedback, and model learning as a lifelong process. That builds a classroom culture where growth feels natural.
ChatGPT, please tell me, how can parents encourage children to embrace challenges instead of avoiding them?
Let's see. Wonderful question. Praise effort, treat mistakes as learning, encourage trying new tasks, model a growth mindset yourself, and celebrate persistence, not just perfection.
Okay, ChatGPT, please tell me, what should I do when I feel discouraged because I am not improving quickly?
Hmm, let me think. That's really important. Progress isn't linear. Focus on small wins, not perfect ones. Adjust your strategy and be patient. Ask what tiny improvement you can make right now. That steady persistence is exactly what compounds over time.
Okay, ChatGPT, please tell me, how can feedback help us develop and improve ourselves?
Hmm, great question. Feedback shows blind spots, gives direction, and accelerates learning. Take it openly, not as criticism, but as useful information. Use it to reinforce strengths and guide the next step forward.
Now, please tell me, uh, can a growth mindset help us become more creative and better problem solvers?
Hmm, let me check. Absolutely. Growth mindset fuels creativity by encouraging experimentation, learning from mistakes, and staying open to new ideas. It turns failure into fuel, not a dead end. That mindset makes problem solving more flexible and inventive.
Now, tell me, can you give me a real life example of someone who succeeded because they embraced challenges?
Hmm, sure. Like Thomas Edison, who treated failed attempts as steps toward the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who pushed through rejections and kept refining her work. Both use persistence and learning, hallmarks of a growth mindset.
Okay, ChatGPT, please tell me, what are three practical things I can start today to develop a stronger growth mindset?
Great question. Checking. Nice closing question. Try one challenge a day. Switch I can't to I can't yet. And do a 5-minute nightly reflection. What did I learn? What mistake taught me? What's one thing to improve tomorrow? Small, consistent habits compound. That's how a growth mindset takes root.
Please, ChatGPT, summarizing the overall discussion, please summarize in a few words, remaining on the topic, how to create a growth mindset and embrace challenges.
Sure. One sec. Here's a tight wrap up. Believe you can improve, use effort and feedback, embrace challenges, and treat setbacks as lessons. Keep learning daily and grow.
Thank you, ChatGPT, for providing us very useful answers and coming into our session. Thank you very much.
You're so welcome. I'm glad to help. Thanks for the chat.
Okay, thank you all the viewers for watching our video for today.
Thank you everyone for watching.